Look, Maya, there's your Easter basket.
You're big enough to open a book, aren't you? Look, best book. Come on, how about I can say it separate this? Do. See, right? Do you get clean? So that must be. Can you tell me that one?
How?
How do you get clean?
What do you think, Maya?
I ran the plate for you.
Oops. Let's see what's in here.
Can I look for my basket?
Yeah, go look. Go search everywhere.
Does it look like it's that sugar? What's the toughest? Ouch! Get out of here! Oh my goodness! I got all my favorite things. For some reason this is really funny, but he puts a butterfly in my basket. How do you do that? What? I got a bag. And it has a highlight. Pink and purple, he knows my favorite colors.